Hi guys, and this is Grace again, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Oh, there's a Mount Canlaon volcano there. Oh, this is the worst hike that I've been in my life. We go to the mountains and we don't know where's the way. So there's a lot of weeds, and we don't have any clue where is the way. So we're a little bit lost, but we are here at the top right now. It's more fun in the Philippines, and it's really an adventure to me. And that's Mount Canlaon volcano there, as you can see. It's nice view. And there's guava. And look at this view here, the other side. Mountains. So this is a different way where we been last time. That's why we have a hard time finding a way, because there's a lot of grass, weed. Hi, so nice. Look at that, guys. How beautiful it is. There's Mount Canlaon volcano. We're facing on it. There's a tower on there. Maybe that's where we get our signal. There's a tower there. That mountains. It's nice. Look at this beautiful view, guys. Look at that. We are at the top of the mountains. Look at the view, guys. You can see the ocean from here. Oh my god, that's so nice. Amazing. Looks like there's someone burning some fire there. So smoke. Oh, look at this, guys. Very nice. Beautiful view. Nice. We are here at the mountains, hiking at the middle of nowhere. At the middle of nowhere, guys. Beautiful view, so greeny. So we're going to the other side. So one of our dog, he go with us, guys. Okay da? So our dog, guys, go with us, and it's been breathing so fast. There's a lot of weeds here. Oh, this one here. It's our dog. He tried to protect us. He tried to protect me. Huh? Look at this view, guys. Wow. Wow. Oh, we're at the top. Hello, oh my god. Oh my god, look at that, guys. It's so deep from there. Look, we're at the top, guys. Oh my god. Oh, oh, it's so... You can look down there. Wow. It's amazing. Wow. Huh? Look, naglumboy daw eh. Oh my god, look at that, guys. Down there. This is in front of our place. This is what I told to my husband, that I need to go to that mountains one day. So here I am. Wow, how beautiful it is. There's a road there going to Canlaon. Nice ka na mag-kuan tayo, mag-picture. Wow, so nice. And there, they have a lot of Java plum tree there at the bottom. Naglumboy day oh. Ari na ko paabot na may landong na nila kuan. Kahoy. So we have foods here guys. We brought some foods on our hike so that in case we got hungry we have some foods to eat. So I have some rice and eggs and we have some noodles. Kaon ra mo ah. And we have this beautiful view. So our dog here, he's been breathing so fast. That's our view guys. I'm gonna eat again later. Ang usa ni pabilin. So this is life in the mountains. So nice view. There's a big beam there. Naibubuyog oh. Asa to tong getuan na to day? Mauna? Ha?
Nahan anak kana bitang gisunogan na nay dalan padong na dito day.
Pika side. So last time we went to that mountains there, other side.
Asa dito kaliyo na? Ano?
Wala man ta ni agi ani nga dalan nagsubay-subay no kanang dalan na.
Kadung unta ta dia to na anak sila may atutas tower.
Asa man tower?
Kana dia. Na internet tanda na.
So there's a tower on that side there, the bottom there's a tower. It's fast signal. You can hear the sounds of the birds from here. So that mountains there, that's was facing in our house. We called it Tutoy Mountains because looks like two bulbs. That mountains there, look. It's so nice guys. Nice here. So we're still here at the mountains and still getting some Java plum leaf because there's a lot of tree here. And there's a lot of Java plum leaf. So we're still here. So nice. We went up to that mountains there at the top. This is the Java plum tree. The leaf, as you can see, it's not dry yet. There's some in the ground also. It's nice. So this is what we're gonna do guys. We steal some buko from one of community here because we are so very thirsty and I'm out of water. So there's no one here, so we're gonna get some buko. The brother of my friend, we're gonna climb it. It's a good thing that he go with us. He's there at the top right now.
Kana guro oy. Bahalag walay kuan abot sa tubig. Naro nga.
Hi guys. There's a lot of buko at the top. There's a lot of banana tree also. Dahil kay saging din no? Oh wow. Sunod ka. More buko.
Ana.
Isut sa iyong sudanan sa kuan tubig.
Hala.
There's a papaya tree there. There's papaya, but no, it's not ripe. More buko, guys. Ato rin ang bayran, we gonna pay it when we saw him. When we see the owner, we gonna pay him. There's a lot of banana farm here. So we're going down now, going back to our place. We have a hard time looking for the way back because there's a lot of weeds. We can find the way. So we're gonna get the juice, the water from the coconut na drink. Cause my water, I don't have, I'm almost out of water.
Mabusog na kag-inom anak day, kari sa na day ah.
Yarad ayaw raday. Ngunit sagot palihog. Ay. Do, nag-video mo video kasi lebas yung talog do.
Nagbalin eh.
Johan pag mo akong tingkog. Dagari ang doon.
Dili na.
Sanggutak tingog yun ron.
No water, guys. It's empty. We're gonna replace coconut water on this. It's so hot in here. We're out of water. It's so hot today. So that's why we drink a lot of water. I got lucky that my friend knows how to open the coconut, the buko. And we brought that big knife. So I have this buko water here in my tumbler. So you're gonna get more. This coconut tree here is not, it's not very tall to climb. And my friend, the brother of my friend, he's expert of climbing a coconut tree. He's expert in the view. Dong, kuhain sa rin ako dong, oh. Sige, uhaw na kagmayo ba?
No, ay oh.
Kanira kung usa din. Thank you. Look at the guys. Look at guys. Wow. Kanira. Ako ay ana ba? Anara ko kutsara dire. Kanira akong ikuan. Look at that, guys. We're gonna eat this one. The coconut meat inside. So fresh, guys. Very fresh. There's more there. So I think that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much again for watching my videos and for all the nice comments, for the love and support. Thank you so much, guys. See you on my next video. So God bless us all.